Hey, this video is about detail views. Oh, things are popping up all over the place. So let's say that I want a like a section view of this this little place right here, so that whoever's going to be building this can understand that what that built-up shape looks like a little bit better. So I'm going to come up here, click this where it says section, and I'm going to click where I want it to start. Click where I want it to stop. That looks okay. Spacebar to accept it, and then that'll give me the view, and then I'm going to place it on whichever side I would like it to go, and you'll notice that it automatically brings those arrows, like it flips it back and forth. The arrows are telling you which direction you're looking. So in this case, it's as though I have sliced through where that A to A line is, and I'm looking at what is on the left side of my screen. So I'm going to click to place it, spacebar to exit, and now I have that section. So now I can call out whatever I need to call out down here. Oh, I almost want like a detail of that section. My goodness. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I would probably then, oh, this, I hate this. Okay, so these need to, like, I would change how those looks and how those look. And to do that, I'm going to go to this button right here and then change it. Text height way too big. How about 3/16 of an inch? Cutting plane. Yeah, that's fine, fine, fine. Symbol size. How about 3/16 of an inch? I don't know why these are always in like funky whatevers, but they are. I'm gonna say okay. I'm gonna say close, see what happens. Nothing happened. Oh, I understand. That's what happened to change that. Okay, cutting plane, view label, that's the one I want. 3/16, below view, yes. Okay, I can also change what it says, section AA, and then the scale. Yeah. That's better. It's still a little bit big, but I'm gonna leave it. Cool, so there's that. I could go ahead and put some call outs here. Like I might, for this one, I would probably say, oh, not a detail call out, I just want a standard. I might say, cut out to receive 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch angle iron bracket. And then I might also, let's say that I want to go do like a section through one of those. So this is actually kind of cool, that you can do. Oh, by the way, to pull up that section detail thing, you can click there, and then we can do another one where we go through one. I want to hit it right on. Let me try that again. Section. Ooh, there we go. And I'm going to turn the corner. I'm going to do that. Oh, boop, boop. There was section A, section B. Oh, I'm going to change that too. I'll do that later. So here, I can see that this is inset a certain amount. I can dimension off of it. If if it will let me, if it's not like, this is way too small. Oh, it's not gonna like it because this is, it's at an angle because it's a stair stringer, but to save paper space, I'm not doing that. So by convention, these should go in line with the, like in the same place that you would put a side view. It's a convention that is frequently broken, if we're being completely honest. So I might move this one to, why didn't it go? Move, there we go. Oh yeah, it's not gonna like it because it's a section. So anyway, it is one of those rules that is oftentimes broken, but I'm just gonna scooch that up there. I'm gonna call out that these hole is countersunk to receive washer and bolt head. And I'm going to say holes are countersunk to receive washer and bolt head. Great. So that tells them something about why the thing is the thing. And I love that you can do this zigzaggy thing. It can be confusing. Like the confusing part here is that this horizontal line ends up like right there. If I do a X line, you can see that that line in here is that one. So yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna move this to there because that's more appropriate. Shut up, angry exclamation point, leave me alone. Yeah, there's that. You can also do details. Let's say that I want a detail of this. I don't want a detail of this, but I will do it for you, friends. I will do it for you. So you're gonna select the thing that you want the detail of, click detail, and you're going to put a circle around it. So this circle is going to be the size of the thing that you are or is going to determine how big that thing is within the circle that you create. I'm going to do that. I'm going to say yes. Oh, look at that. Another ugly label. I fix you. Let's go to layout. Let's go to this one. Let's go to modify. Okay, so there's a bunch of different options here as well. Let's fix our identifier. Text height, let's say 3/16. Oh, come on. 3/16 again, we love it. Symbol size. Let's say 3/16 again, why not? You could also just do a circle if you wanted to, or you could do this arrow. Any leader, add leader when moving identifier away from the boundary. Yes, that's you do want that. Okay, you can also choose these. My personal preference, depending on the situation, is I actually like this one because it just seems like it's easier for me to like figure out exactly where it is. Sometimes it's not a great option. You know, you just have to kind of decide what you want. If I can't do this one, then I like this one because I can see that that's where the thing is supposed to end rather than it being just this smooth thing. And I think jagged just, I'm not a fan, but you do you. Let me try that one and see if that will work in this situation. Oh, it's a little gross. It's a little gross. But what? If I move this down here, you know, that looks a little bit better. Something that you will notice is that those two things are shockingly about the same size. So let's do something about that. Number one, I'm going to shrink this down a little bit. Bloop. And now I'm going to change the scale here, and I'm going to make that that. So now I can actually see things that are on the detail. Oh, I forgot to change this. Ugh, gross. Modify. View label 3/16. And hey, let's change this to 3/8. Click OK. Close. Look at that. You'll also notice that these letters tend to correspond. So not correspond, but like they continue to stack. So you shouldn't reuse letters for multiple things. So A, B, C, whatever. And if you have like a bunch of these on a sheet, you can reuse them on new sheets. But like if I have another view of another thing that needs that, I'm not going to use A, B, and C. I'm going to use E, F, G, whatever. Yeah. Although, you know what? I'm not actually sure what AutoCAD does. Let's try this. Oh, it won't let me do that. Well, whatever. So that's how you do details. That's how you do sections. Do learn how to use them well. They're very, very handy and useful. And sometimes you like really, really need them. So there you go. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.